Hello everyone, I'm Bonivin Ashish from Team Synergy and this is Trashy. In Trashy, I have added 4 main features which are not easily available in present market. The 4 main features in Trashy are automatic lid open, automatic crash level indicator, and whenever the Trashy is full, then by using a ultrasonic sensor, GSM module and Arduino, I'm sending a message to predefined user. And the fourth feature is that when a flammable substance is thrown into a Trashy, then I have created an alert system by using flame sensor and buzzer. First feature in Trashy, we have automatic lid open. For that, I have used ultrasonic sensor and a servo motor. I have placed the ultrasonic sensor over here and the servo motor is placed on top of the Trashy. So now, when a person comes close to the Trashy, then lid will automatically open and it's going to stay for like 30 milliseconds and will drop down automatically. So no need to open it manually. We can just use a simple electronic components to open the Trashy lid. The next feature we have in Trashy is flame sensor detector. So what happens is that when many people have the habit of throwing a flammable substance like cigarettes in dustbins. So this leads to an accident, fire accidents. So I have created this feature in Trashy. I don't smoke, so that's why I'm using this matchbox. The next feature in Trashy, we have automatic level indicator, and whenever the dustbin is full, then by using same GSM SIM 900A module, I'm going to send a message to a predefined user. And coming to the Trasher feature, I have divided the Trashy into 3 sections: low level, medium level, high level. Whenever the trash is at low level, green light will glow. Whenever the Trashy is at medium level, yellow light will glow. When the dustbin is full, all the 3 lights will glow. Let me demonstrate it. I'm going to use this cardboard to indicate the trash level. When the trash is at low level, then the green light will glow. Now I'm going to take it to the medium level. Now when the trash is at medium level, then both green and yellow light will glow. Now I'm going to take the trash level to the full level. Whenever the trash level is full, then all the 3 lights will glow. And I'm going to get a message to this mobile.
Hello everyone, I'm Bonivin Ashish from Team Synergy and this is another added feature for Trashy. I have created a RESTful web service using Spring Web and Spring Data JPA and also XAMPP for storing data into database. Let's assume that I have a company called Synergy which manufactures and sells SmartBin. The main reason why I've created the RESTful web service because I can store all my client details, and when the clients want to send me any feedback, they can just send through this RESTful web service. Let me run this. You can see here that Spring Web and Data JPA 2 application is successfully launched. And for request mapping methods, I'm going with the Postman app. The main reason why I'm going with Postman app because I can have a track of all my API requests and it's also user friendly. Let's assume that I have a client called GGK Tech. So the customer ID is 1, customer name is GGK Tech, and the email ID is ggktech@gmail.com, and they have bought around 50 units of SmartBins from me. I'm going to register into my database. Let's go to XAMPP and check if the data is inserted or not. You can see here that GGK Tech with email and 50 units of SmartBin is inserted. Now let's assume that one of GGK Tech wants to send me a feedback. Yes. Let's assume that they have a problem with the trash level indicator. I'm having other fields like customer ID 1, company name GGK Tech, and company code is GGK01. They'll just send me this data, and you can go back to our database and check. All my feedback requests will be stored in customer 2 table. You can see here that GGK1 has a problem with the trash level indicator, and now they have solved that issue and they are happy with the trashy. Now let's go and check. Refresh. You can see here that GGK Tech has given me the feedback good. They have updated the feedback column. You can also see this in another browser. Since this port is running on 8087, you can see all the data list, all my clients list, GGK Tech, and how many units they have bought, and I can also see the feedback list. Initially they had a problem with the trash level indicator. Now let's refresh. Yes, it's updated that GGK Tech feedback is good. Now let's take another company, another user, and their ID is 5. Let's take the company is Amazon. And they have bought 50 units from Synergy. Let's send customer list. Let's refresh it. You can see here that company Amazon is inserted into database, and now the Amazon has to give some feedback to me. I'm just going to repeat the same steps. Customer ID 5. And let's go to our feedback list and refresh. Here we can see that the company Amazon has a problem with battery. Thank you.